Alright, today we're going to discuss graphing linear equations in standard form. And there's three ways to graph linear equations. You can do it by plotting points, which is time consuming. You could use slope-intercept form, which is pretty quick and easy. But if you look at this example here, if I wanted to graph this in slope-intercept form, I would have to divide everything by 3, and you could actually find out there is an easier way to graph that, and it is if you put the equation into standard form. So I have 4 steps here on how to graph equations in standard form, and standard form just means you have your x term and your y term on one side and your constant on the other side, or the equal sign. So step number 1, you got to write your equation in standard form, meaning I have to get this negative 2x to the other side. It's a negative 2x, so I'm going to add it to both sides. So now I have a 2x plus a 3y is equal to 6, and now this is standard form. This is my a term, this is my b term, 3, and 6 is now my c term. Step number 2, you're going to solve ax equals c. So what I suggest to do is just take your hand and cover up 3y. So you just have 2x equals 6. And you're going to solve this. Divide both sides by 2, and you get x is equal to 3. All right? That point is your x-intercept. So on your x-axis, your line's going to cross at the point 3. Right? And we'll do the same thing. Step number 3 says solve by equals c. We'll take 3y equals 6 and solve this. Divide by 3 and divide by 3, and you get y is equal to 2. Right? That is now your y-intercept. So plot the point 0, 2. Right? And now you have 2 dots that your line goes through. Step number 4 is just to draw a straight line through those 2 intercepts. Right? And once you draw your straight line, you're done. Don't forget to include arrows on both sides of the line.